Fern Gully. Welcome to Fern Gully, guys. Welcome to Fern Gully. It's nice in here, just cool. Very cool in here. This seatbelt is crazy. Nice. Look at this here, guys. Look at. I was excited to be in here, and I am not disappointed. And the road in here is smooth, you know, smooth and nice. Family, you know, I've never traveled through this area and it's not wet. Always wet. Because I think it's because of the amount of water that drains from the two sides of the hills. Cause it to be. It's another stop and beauty spot for you guys. Another one. Nice shops there. Not gonna stop at that one. Just stop at the one up top. I have a famous one that I want to stop. That I always, when I traverse this area, from I was a little boy, like going on school trips and all of that. Used to. Nice hills. And a lot of ferns. That's why they call in here Fern Gully, guys. A lot of ferns. Nice. In here is very cool and nice, guys. Can you see? Can you see, guys? Can you see the beauty in here? Crazy. So let me shut it up. Alright, shut up. See that for over the place. Nice scenery. Nice in here. Fern Gully. Look at you. Look at you, Fern Gully. It's another chill spot here. Another chill spot. Guys, it's another chill spot. Let me check this guy out. This is a hills. This is the hills of Fern Gully, guys. And there's beautiful a rooster. Good morning. Birds here. Nice. Nice. Good morning. I'm a YouTuber. I go by the name Everbless. So I'm a YouTuber, go by the name Everbless Family TV. And I just drive through this here and showcase for you guys as to what you sell and have to offer. Just beautiful spot here. Everbless people. Can you see? Yeah, nice. So while you traverse through this here, who should anyone stop and check on?
Yeah, man, you're good.
No interest? Okay. I'm not gonna. This guy have no interest in being showcased in his place for free, so I'm gonna go. A lot of us, guys, I'm gonna say this. We as a lot of us as YouTubers, we go around Jamaica and we showcase our country to the world. And a lot of persons is not appreciating of it. So we put record their business. Yeah. Seems hesitant. Don't want you to record what they sell. But I'm wondering. I know a lot of these persons don't know that a lot of persons didn't know that they were there. But because they watch a channel, they would see that Fern Gully has this much to offer, and they would stop and purchase from them because it was seen in a video. a lot of these people, they don't know that. So they don't take the promotion when you give them. And I ever blessed don't charge a fee to showcase any business. I just do it for fun. I ever blessed people. I am depending on you guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I showcase all these businesses for you. I have done a lot of promotion on businesses, and I haven't charged anyone for any fee to feature them on my channel. So I'm just doing this promotion thing for fun, guys, as I travel through Fern Gully for you. Show you what Fern Gully looks like. You might know Fern Gully and you didn't have never seen it on a video. Now you see what it in here is like. Very cool. Only sorry they didn't have much more chill spot where you could pull off of the road and pull a vibe. But they have a lot in here, but people sell in the space, you know. Wow, look at, guys, look at. You know, I was told that where this road is, it was a river, and they turned it into a road. Have you ever heard of that? Ever blessed me? I have heard of that. I wonder if there's any truth in that. This here where the road is at right now, it used to be a river. And they turned it into a road. Don't know if there's any truth in that. Elaborate on that too much. I'm just hoping that somebody who know more about it would leave the correct answer for me in the comment section. This is another shop here. Another shop here. Guys, beautiful. So I don't know if I didn't stop here because I was discouraged by the other guy. There goes another shop here. There goes another shop here, guys. That's another shop. Nice sceneries Fern Gully has to offer, yes. Yeah, I think we're done with Fern Gully now. Heading towards RainForest. Yes, Fern Gully is done. Country Jamaica is really beautiful. Have you seen, guys? Have you taken a look and see? We as Jamaican, what we have, we need to cherish our country some more. Really need to. I don't know why they keep making roads with drains across it. Jamaica. Why keep talking about government and them business? Why? Because I'm a Jamaican, and if you're coming off the hill at 40 miles and hit one of those holes that the water run across the road, can be very dangerous. Also, when it rains, children can get washed away when you make a drain across the street. The government, stop making drains across the streets. Stop making it dangerous for our children, you know? Am I speaking the truth, ever blessed people? I think so. Like, share and subscribe to your family and your friends. But them know say ever blessed to talk some truth around here. Welcome to RainForest. They are gonna build some things in the hill. Look at the digging down there, guys. Digging down the hills. I might buy now the next 2 years you pass this side. Can't believe what they have up a hilltop there. Just upon that. So they dig down a nice road to go up there. And they flatten out the surface. This guy is doing it for you. I am showcasing for you. Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios. Where did Ocho Rios get his name? Know this area, Bless family? Do you know this area? Look at the business is coming up. I'm gonna take this left turn. Gas station here. Do you remember this area, guys? Look at Ocho Rios. He's gonna stop. Slow down over there. I'm gonna go through. Not to. This guy there driving crazy. Get out of my way, boy. Those people. We are in Ocho Rios, guys. We are in Ocho Rios. Good morning to my ever-blessed people in Florida, Tampa, in Canada, in Ethiopia, in Ghana, in Kenya. I know so much about Kenya because of YouTube. Yes. Kenya, I want to see Jamaica, yeah? I want to run, come man, come have fun, eh? But when you guys come, remember Ever Blessed Family TV. Call me up and let's do collaboration. Yes, man. Let me take you to some of these places that I know. Yes, guys. One Love Plaza. See that, guys? So the place nice, guys. Tourist here. Nice. Ocho Rios. Guys, can you see the beauty of this place? Yes, man. Very nice. Very busy this morning with tourists. Seems as if a ship has arrived. Yes, a ship has arrived. I've seen a ship close by there. It's very big. Wonder if I can pull up somewhere and take a scenery. A ship is close by. That one there, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that massive ship, guys? Look at the massive ship that we have right on the right hand side of us. That's the reason why it's so crowded here. Look at the ship, guys. Oh my word. Gosh, it's massive. It is really massive. I wonder if I could record in this area. Let me take a look. Wow, look at, guys. It's called Caribbean Princess. It is huge, guys. Look at. Can you see, guys? Look at it. It's massive. Wow, 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 wow. This ship is huge. Can you see, guys? Caribbean Princess.
Whoa. Yo, it's a beauty there.
Eh?
Have you ever been on one of those? Wow, it's nice, huh? Nice. Look at it. Whoa, whoa. Huh? Whoa. So can we hold it? Can we go on it? Can we book appointment to do that? How can I go on it? Okay, okay, I can book it. Okay. Okay, okay. It's a beauty. Wow. Guys, look at it. It's a beauty. Look at the ocean, guys. Look at the ocean. Nice. So that water there is drenched. It is well deep, right?
Yeah, man.
Right. For the purpose of the ship, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You don't mind being in the camera? You don't mind being in the camera?
Yeah.
You don't mind? Can I show you? Okay, okay, nice. Well, you can check me out though. Appreciate it. Wow. Wow. Nice. What the area is called? This area? Which this area is called? Eh? Okay, Mall Pit. Okay. That's okay. Nice. He says this area is called Mall Pit. Nice, guys. The traffic is backed up because of that ship. Yeah, man. Ship is nice. Ship is nice, guys. Very notorious. Beautiful ship that backed up at the pier. Princess. Yes, man. You can just imagine the depth of the ocean right there just to accommodate that ship. And all this traffic that you see here, guys, is because of the ship. I don't know if it's because of the amount of tourists that are coming off or going on. That's the reason why the traffic is back up on that side so much. So this is how the street looks. Very plenty traffic on the right. So hold up. Slowly. Watchers is nice. And I'm showing it to you guys. I told you before that exciting moments are coming. Think me that chicken, no? That chicken, man. I'm not chicken family band, no? Man, just to show you guys show you the reality, yeah? Nice. So water is coming off the hill. These persons that are cleaning the streets, they are just blowing the trash away, making sure that all areas is clean, you know? River Fall, guys. That's the turn for River Fall there. Nice. Ocherius Sentan is just beautiful. Scenery here is just nice. So all the way on the right, guys, it's gonna be the ocean, you know? The ocean is on the right. all the way. All the way. And this traffic is all because of the Princess ship there. Brunswick is to the right, so the car park is to the left of me, and then you cross over the road down the falls there. Person that created Dunsmuir, it's very creative because you have the ocean to the right and the falls come from the left, and the fall just come down and just travel and go to the other side of the ocean, and they be creative and turn it into such an attraction. Ever blessed people. Today is a Manganyu day and I'm enjoying it. Irie Beach is to the right. Yes, Irie Beach. And I'm driving Polo because I'm not in any hurry today. I think I'll be at my destination on time, so I don't have to in such a rush to get to Jacksall. Need to check the time as well. Not sure the time right now. The time that is on the car is not right, so I have to keep looking on the phone or my watch to see the time. And this car is really nice. I'm gonna showcase to you guys shortly how to drive this car, how you get it. So guys, this is the exit for the pool, so we going around and then we take this street to go around. We go back to Ocho-Rios. Don't want to go to Ocho-Rios, that's where I'm coming from, so that's where you exit the toll, guys. Didn't want to take the toll this morning because of many reasons. I didn't want to take the toll because it's been a while I haven't tried use the roads that we used to use before. So I wanted was to see improvement in that area, how much it has improved, and also to refresh my memory as to what that side has to offer, and also to let you guys see the scenery there. Sandals done over there. Sandals Dunn's River. Wonder why they give it that name. And Rio, that car, guys, it's crazy. And Rio was to my right, but because of that speedy guy there, I get distracted. Guys, when you have somewhere to go, please leave on time, so you don't have to drive crazy on the road and kill yourself, you know. Be on time, leave early so you can take your little time, traverse the road to where you're going, you know. But you leave late and you want to reach early. Oh, that makes sense. And you leave late and you might not reach where you're going because you have to do crazy stuff. That guy there driving that white car was crazy. So that white car there, driving a witch. Feel like saying I drive fast car, saying can't do as in please. You know? I was told that was a call center. I was distracted by that crazy guy there. was speeding down. Look through the mirror and see him tear down the whole place. Want to kill himself. So anyway, he's alive. I give thanks for that, you know. So the road. St. Anne, 3 miles to St. Anne. Oh, runaway bay. Nice. So at this point, I'll be searching for car wash. Looking for a car wash so I could get my car washed clean. I want it cheap and clean. Cheap wash. Not an expensive one. And I can't believe that. Don't tell me that. Wow. I'm in Jacksall. I'm in Jacksall. I didn't realize that I was get here so fast. We're in Jacksall, guys. Very nice. Let me just show you how Jacksall look. And we have a KFC, we have a Pizza Hut here in Jacksall. So my journey was fast here. Take my time, get here. Oh yes. Nice. Take one house ice cream. Oh yeah, see, that's a Jacksall again. Or if I can have one of them ice cream there. And this one is under construction. It's gonna be what? Not sure. But it's like I'm gonna go up. This is the plaza for the Knoxford Express bus. So I'm gonna see Knoxford Express there, and I'm gonna take the bus back to Spanish Town. Bus only, so that means that this car can't go in there. Here is well developed, guys. Under construction here. Yes. This area is well developed, you know. Lot of new buildings going up. Lot of new buildings going up, guys. Searching for nice car wash.